is that? Ooh. Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Yeah.
Help me! Help me!
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
I like it cut, G.
Shut up!
You freaking freaks!
Ain't yelling cut when it's shooting time. Sign up, it's recruiting time. Big wigs.
If 2 + 2 is 4, right? And 5 + 5 is 10. Okay. What the fuck is this?
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! Nope. What is that?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Shut up!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop your fucking lying.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
He needs some milk.
Bruh.
Catch me outside, how about that?
No, 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 no.
Run.
Do it! Just do it!
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
You better stop!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Oh, poop.